Hey guys, my name is Max. Welcome to my movie channel. Today we're going to be changing the cabin filter in this Lexus, oh my god, UX200. This is a 2020 model. Let me show you. It's actually pretty easy. So you just pop this button here, okay, and then there's going to be a tray here. Let me get my lights so you can see. Boom, here's the tray. Just pulls out. That guy up there. Now there's two little tabs on the bottom here. This is a used car that we're working on, by the way. So, hold on. Pinch that one and that one, and it just pulls right out. All right, just change this. Be right back. Guys, once you got your replacement in there, you just want to bloop, click it in there, grab this tray, put the tabs, remember they go on the bottom, so just put it up here. Alright, so as you can see, it goes in pretty easily. It does go in easily. I'm recording with one hand now. You got these two. Make sure that you go like that. Boom. That goes in there, and then this book was in here. That's it. Easy peasy, right?